Good morning, peeps. Welcome back to the vlog. The headlights that I ordered didn't come with bulbs, so I went into the VLAND website and ordered some bulbs with it. I did already open it to look at it, but I just want to show you guys what's in the package. All right. So it comes with 1 and 2 of these bulbs, but it also comes with like 3 or 4 different connectors. All right, so I'm not sure if I'm supposed to use all of it or not. It came with this ballast. There we go. I'll show you in a second. Pull it out. All right. So it comes with this. I guess they call this a ballast, and it also has connectors to it. So I'm assuming that I have to connect all of these to this and mount this in the back of the headlight, which sucks because now I gotta retake the bumper off, which I really didn't want to do that. So I am debating if I should just use that H7 headlights I bought, H7 bulbs that I bought at AutoZone, or replace this. It'd be a waste if I don't use this, but I don't know. I guess I have to do it. You know, there's no, around it. So right now we're probably gonna go outside and take the bumper off. I really don't want to do it. I'm not sure if I know how to. I know there's one of this in the old headlights. So I guess you just got to make 3 holes and screw it in. Also, for this, you have to cut a hole in the bottom of the, well, where the bulbs enter. So once you take this cap off right here, this cap's come off. Let me see. All right, this cap come off. Everything will go into the light, and then these wires will just come out, and this will be where it blocks any rain or water to come in it. But so that's what it looks like. I'm not sure. I mean, let's see when we do it if I have any issue. It looks like it's just really plug and play. Just plug it into the correct ends, female to the male end, and you do have to you make 3 holes on the ballast itself, and then try to make a circle ring on the headlight itself. So the hard part is probably going to be taking the bumper apart again. But all right, let's head up, take the bumper apart. I already showed you guys how to take the bumper apart on the previous video, so we're probably going to skip through that and just pop the headlight out. All right, so it took about an hour, actually about 30 minutes, but felt like an hour because the sun is out. Finally got all the pieces. I broke a couple of those black clips, but oh well. All right, let's take these headlights off and see if it works. Alright, so we ran into our first issue. This ballast does not fit into these pre-cut holes. So I think I'm going to get some toothpaste or try to drill holes in to fit at least one of these screws. So I'll go get it right now. Alright peeps, so I put the light bulb in. There was already a hole already done here, so I just popped their plastic here. Used the plastic that this came with, and this is going to plug into the ballast here. I two-face the ballast and then, you know, electrical tape if it works. If it doesn't, if I start feeling clinky, I have to take the bumper out, try to figure out how to screw it in. But for now, this is what I got. So hopefully it works. Let's put the lights on and see. All right, peeps. This is the headlights I put in. The lights I just put in. As you can tell, it's really bright, even for daytime, and the bulbs are pretty clear. And here is the one I bought from AutoZone. You can tell the big difference. This one's definitely a lot more yellow. Yeah, so it's a little bit of work, but I think it is worth it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then later at night show you guys what it looks like, how bright it is. All right, peeps, I don't know when my camera cut off, but it did. Here are the headlights. Well, bulbs, I guess. The headlights you're here has already seen it. These are the bulbs. And I'm gonna wait for it to get a little bit darker, and then I'll show you guys the lights. All right, peeps. It looks like it's about to storm, but I'm gonna get this shot for you guys. All right, these are the lights right now. It's definitely really bright, but I wish I could become a little darker. But as you can tell, it's really nice. Yep. Overall, I'm happy with it. All right, peeps, thanks for tuning into the vlog, and I'll see you next time. Peace.